Aha, too much GH. Muniaba a PSC capan and so minimo Eddie a share and way a fiddy cassie and so. Ebra address way a ganwa hala jumedi. Now a buyer num to nearby will be ababontain, abe classified no who or bobo a year the 4 8 no, what in who aqua remu ebine nona, Unquanqua ye a year bema a year Samini at the Amawono so ababontain abe schoolie a year abayana ebusiam Mayembura and some no Ghana for said the mom no a year Wendy Shay, or a year Ghanaian music, a say musician, or can a music industry no who ebi wo mu ebi. I just would do ni juma a year, papa. Now I buy for number of times no like about social media and a year interviews once and simply about one thing and senators in the dean and a year a power so mobile kai crampuna a year crapumpolo babontin ever blasted and so on no all the time so baby or the like controversies be eba na just what they are pen who hype and that's what they are g ni who edin na ena dan na yenua be take it to ni Instagram page e kokotro yes say wo no waka the 4 A's na 4S sorry 4S in oka the 4S no na 4S na waka ho asem no no Wendy Shay Shatawale Sakode and Stone Point one the 4S now what they na iwe okokoto the Twitter page every yape and na Samini ni din ambe we binamu so legendary na ebiemu so no so ni din started with S na ebiemu no ni din timi ama mepiemu anka the 4S no no na chese onebo andu so ye kra into no so take it to the Twitter page itself wo be ko no akwa educate Wendy Shay about the attention seeking no said the be ya wo be hunu said the woye no the we hwehwani mu ade and na woye into no so take it to the ni Instagram page no and na wo de to eja SM Wendy Shay person o make list of 4S I didn't know what for send them I didn't want because on no initials WS and S W ni de WS into a banner saying and no ekoka 4S no now what the to eja say S no they standing for so many things into school yi wo hona then some what the to eja no any or say there must be power in the letter S. You need a suit with it written on your chest. You want to make the list so bad. WS. S for star. S for spirituality. S for seriousness. S for simplicity. S for solar. Make I continue. The name must start with S. If not, I'll say the name must start with S. If anything we any dia wo dem den na Samini etro we won a Twitter page not mu say enye wono nko because dey asa akode a Wendy Shay wo kanidin S na di kan Shatawale so S Stone Boy so S inti Samini so no S na di kan dey enti adentina wono ne dia ama meka na wo dia Wendy Shay na nye Shay enko ano wo de ababa beka ehunti no chese wo chire no ensem emu na him say Samini nkwa ena nebo enjo so ewo ensemi hu na so controversial radio presenter F.A.K.E Santana enso so eba edi ne hu ebebeji mu ebie no so etwete ya na chese wo mo ede estre no chese so many people ena react to Wendy Shay ne sama wodi etu edwane ne nyina na ye di etu edwade amam ti F.A.K.E Santana so ko no so ko twete ye etro say Wendy Shay, how can you forget the power of Santana, the legendary? Let the lecture, also let the lectures flow. Let the lectures flow. WS and or the emoji awards the account na just wo busa Wendy Shay se banesem and an ray enso etimi free the power of Santana wo no F.A.K.E na ebiem so no legendary lectures na wo de ma Wendy Shay no wo ma no enkoso na ensem we bebeto abonte no and fans so take it to one Twitter page na wo memesere Wendy Shay na aden na no ema ebinom say ade bi Wendy Shay, who would Wendy and a Shay count, adding a fade, what per se, who use Wendy if you are now the shame one and a Jumana, it was a mamma can kind of be and far and mamma. You may be there what day a buy or say a brantier or say a betier, Nibi Bia 4 cities. Your name is Wendy Shay, not Shay. The S name can't be without Samini. Better Anna who Anna is due and play homemade too. And play homemade where homemade is due. Get away. Where any a year be a dear what they ever need a year. I bet any bibia 4 cities needing I don't know. Woman say a year a dinner walking canopy won't see me a year Samini from one funny day Emma any day as not a beer one so one far a year. On pay homemade to a year almost so I bet me a pay homemade a day ama woman. Yenya a year kwame saga a day what they ever year or sing. Wendy, you are one female artist I have never liked ever since you came into the industry because you never behaved like your successor Ebony. Ebony was so natural, she never crowned herself a queen. It was her fans who crowned her because of songs she gave to her fans. On also so Nedia what they ever year and who say abaya Wendy Shay. Ni ni swa what they ever bet na hanu one penasa da. Nanya just so bet me a penasa because yeni pa obebe di na de yenu the late Ebony no crampono. One claiming the hosa wa ye queen nemum ne fans na de queen no de emma no enam ne nyuma o to de entertaining the fans na waba also there and we a queen and we say na F.A.K.E say there was a quarter 4S so what the who asa kwa kwashem abra won so wudin yi enye she na we the Wendy Shay enti enye she kwan ni wudin enti no say wo keka the 4S anka wo crampo ni kwan say anka wo de wo hu ehwemu ebi wo draw e dia wo de e ba wo say Wendy got to stop calling herself the queen of Ghana music. So many musicians such as F.A.K.E, etc. that have been in the game for so long since you started 2 years ago. Work your way up on also edia what they eba here and no Don Pablo and so edia what they eba or say the Ebony knock off AliExpress Ebony, Dollar Tree Ebony. Man should have several seats. Please, what you are doing is not going to get you anywhere. So, Nedia, what they buy, no. I just say, do no, woman, nearby when the shame, and Sanka, no, maybe, and say, what you know, one is a buy, like attention be, and a war, a day, a man, no, maybe a warrior, said the Abaya will bet me a day, the fame, and I said, obey me, I am not sweating me at trendy. It's what Babontia, what they classify a young crofo who almost the 4S, what didn't they show much as a quiet. Yes, Samini he Emma will also take it to a Twitter page, a cocoa school, Emma who say, the power S no have so many power. Now, I stand for style, I stand for spirituality, I stand for seriousness, I stand for simplicity. A beamus also I stand for a yes solano, Uncle a one more so a woman no just a cocoa okay, Edema, one more pants, a yes, Samini, I take a stand, Etimia Babon, Tiaba Church. Say mama abayano what me ehunu ni china bie na atimu say abayano wakasa ensem we nyina no na enye dodo na ede na nso so no obia entimi nka na emra eye Samini eba ye oba bonten ebebe cheche no mamu ma abaya no se ne de eye WS na enye S nkwana no ema chesa beku santana nso so ede ne de eswa so ema other social media users no so no eba abonten ebebe che wo mo adwen na after say ye Twitter meken kan ma mo ne ekọ so ewie ye no ene binom so ede wo mo adwenche eba ye on the platform no eso na ebinum eso ka say please leave this lady alone. Let her feel how she wants. Why are you always on top of her? Everything that she does, you have a problem with it. What all is wrong with you people. And also so ne dear and see enjoy abayano. Na won't ni juma e den krampo ene ye pe e de afri no ho no you will be one no said or buy limelight no said on so betimi agi ni din no na wono so ye talent na dane da ye see ne so comfort and so edo de e buy or see Wendy Shay can never be part of the 4S and never it can never. Please retract your statement or also so edia and on tell ma edia or day e buy or say I send a penny once all the time. This girl wants people to insult her. That's what he wants, and that's what he's getting. And also so idea and on who say yeah, we are saying it as some way a penny nipa and a penny once my bio say yeah, yes, it didn't attempt F and I know you okay, and nothing I done that what then the whole air biting the hunji into Yamfa and you ever form way any a year and someone a bab on and I say yeah, schools are. Nkofo de Wendy Shay eko mu ebra wo babonten ekokọ Twitter ye e woni page so say wo kan the 4S no ho wonso so awo fi de na betimi adwa fan se mi fo waje nche ebra e wo too much age your comment section e bi mu so betimi like na wa share videos na emrepem make kan e de amamo dasene ye besane sha midin ene F.A.K.E kapa makram
fiti ani asese ni din ene your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no baby a me hwe bia ma change afro ena maba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe